So we've been working with Sun Valley Solar for a little bit over 6 years now on all kinds of PV systems. Sun Valley's great at working together as a team to come up with solutions.
If you're in business, you should be considering what Sun Valley has to offer. Not only that, they're economical in installing. It's a no-brainer from the cost accounting side of the house. Sun Valley's knowledge of pure and thorough installation was critical. And by that I mean knowing what the weight loads are, what we could do on tile roofing, the electrical distribution needed to house this kind of energy consumption, how to qualify for how much of power we're going to be putting in and how to afford it. I could not do it without them.
By putting solar on your building, you're essentially hedging your bets against rising utility costs and ensuring that your utility costs stay consistent throughout the life of the system.